How do you manage Windows Toast notifications effectively? Managing Windows Toast notifications effectively involves understanding how they are created, customized, displayed, and removed to keep your notifications useful and not overwhelming. Toast notifications are quick pop-up messages that appear on your screen to inform you about app updates or events. They also go to the Action Center after you dismiss them, so you can review them later. To manage them well, start by creating and customizing notifications. Use tools like PowerShell scripts or development frameworks such as Microsoft, Toolkit, UWP, notifications for Windows Forms applications. Keep the message short and clear, including headers, optional images, or buttons for quick responses. Assign unique identifiers, called tags and groups, to each notification so you can manage them individually or in groups later. Set how long the notification stays visible and define expiration times to prevent outdated messages from lingering. When displaying notifications, make sure your application has a valid shortcut with an application user model identifier. This identifier is needed for Windows to show your notifications properly. Use notification APIs or managers to display notifications, either by choosing predefined templates or creating custom ones dynamically. Think about the context of your notifications. Schedule them for future events or push real-time updates when needed. Managing user interaction is also key. Include action buttons or inputs within notifications to let users respond directly. When a notification is no longer relevant, use the tags and groups to hide or remove it programmatically. Remember to unregister notifications when your app closes or is uninstalled to keep things tidy. Be cautious about overusing notifications. Only send important or time-sensitive messages to avoid annoying users. For IT management, like with Configuration Manager or Microsoft Intune, use PowerShell scripts or management tools to deploy and control notifications across multiple devices. Choose the right delivery method based on your environment. Always test your notifications to ensure they appear correctly in different Windows modes, such as on the desktop or lock screen, and handle dismissals smoothly. Windows Toast notifications are a great way for apps to communicate interactively with users, thanks to the rich API support for grouping, tagging, scheduling, and user responses. Managing these notifications well means using Windows-specific tools and APIs to balance visibility and user control, making sure notifications are helpful and not intrusive.